Welcome, today I am with Audi Car Key and I will show you how we can replace the batteries in this key. So at the first we'll need some kind of the very thin tool like this one. And how we can start? So at the first we have to open our key by tapping on this button, open it like that, and next we have to focus on this cover of this plastic cover, and right now we have to stick this tool between this metal part and this cover. So we have to put it right here in this place. Right now we have to pick it up. As you can hear, it just jumps out, and we have to do the same from this side. So put it here and press. As you can see, after a few moments we are able to use our fingers and remove it like that, and the batteries we can find in this place. So to remove it, just take off this battery, put it here, the new one, and to put it back we have to start from the right edge, from this one. We have to put this trace right here, so let's make it like that. Press here on the right side, left, and at the bottom. And right now we are able to close your key, and as you can see, it's finished. So it was very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.